Creek here, well, it kind of disappears. It goes underground. And there's my koi fish I saw the other day. I'm at Colony Park, Fairhope, Alabama, at the disc golf cart there. Okay, hole number one. Basket's just beyond that tree. To the left side, you see a small alley. We're going to try to hit it. Going with the escape. Somewhat stable, somewhat understable. A little low, it's not going to stable up on the trees. As you can see, I landed right here. Not too bad, the pin's there. Good break. Right now I'm looking at a long birdie shot. With some luck I can get it. And here we go. Chapping. Hole 2, right up into that fairway. Far left gap is the trees. Like to get it up and to the left. We're stable. Stay out there, stay out there, stay out there. Okay, cut down. I may have made it. Never made it. As long as it got around that corner, we have it, and we'll see. The question is, did you walk up around the corner? Did it go long enough to stay out of those trees? Well, I'm out. Now you can see the fairway. It's the gap on the right hand side that we're going to go for. It's the biggest one. But then we got to fade left after that. I will take that. I was a little pinned in with a bush, but we will take that. Woohoo! As you can see, I'm halfway through the gap. The basket is off to the left. There's the basket. One pine tree to beat. Grab my culprit Reggie. Roll, shift around the tree, balance underneath the basket. Perfection. We could par this one. We could par this one. We could par this one. Yay! I've been over by that tree there. I've been in those woods there. I've been in that brush over there. I've been in that brush over there. This feels good. I got it. Hole 3, 236 feet. Up on the right hand side, big old anhyzer. We're gonna set you out here by the pole. Turn, girl, turn. It ain't turning. It didn't turn. It's not bad. The basket is just up there behind the tree. Oh, ever so close. Band hit, but par. Gonna pull to the right, hopefully hyzer in, keep it down low. Far to the right. Not too bad. Still got a circle putt. Circle 2, you fool. Hole 5, par 3, 313 feet, slightly downhill. Like to throw a turnover at it. Turn. Come on up, stick up, stick up, stick up. Oh, she came back nicely. Shows you how much I don't know. That's part. Well, the sign says 313 feet. And I can throw 313 feet. Okay, it's downhill. That's what the duct tape sign said. And it's duct tape, you've got to believe it. 30 and 5 holes. That's the best I've ever done at this course so far. Turn over all the way up this hill, if I could reach it. Too high, too high, too high. We got a long upshot, but that's okay. Okay, we're not too bad of shape. Figured my game, I better learn how to jump putt. A long distance. We get in, yay. There we go. Still par, still sitting 1 under. I'm going to try to hang it to the right hand side. Hopefully I'll get a good fade in and not hit those trees in the center, which I've been in there and they're not fun. A little bit of a turn. Stable up, stable up, stable up. Oh, wrong trees. I don't have much. Got a small gap here. Nice and soft. Yahoo! And that's the way you do it. Nice. And I leak left because I wrapped around myself and I'm behind the tree. Definitely not good form. Oh, it just took the tree down first and it got through. Well, that's for the second throw. Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit down. Woo, that went by. Hole 9. Oh no, I yanked it right into the poison ivy. There was a lot of poison ivy, so I took a stroke and just got out of there. I won't be too over with a tap in. I'm a little disappointed with myself at this time. Hole 10. A little high, but it's going to break back and it's going to go right in the basket. A little shorter than I wanted to be, but I got a good putt. Opportunity to get a birdie, get one back. That's one back. Hole 11, left hand hyzer. I'm going to take this Undertaker. It's not the same as the Undertaker I lost in Vermont. I hope that young man's enjoying that Undertaker. I let him have it. He called me. So how we're going to try this? And I still got a chance for a birdie. Wind got it, blew it down. Finish off with a par. Still. Now we're going to the tight course. The little putter shots, the little short, dinky, straight shots. I could make up some strokes here, or I could lose a whole bunch. All right, right down the gut. Come on, turn over a little bit. Faded out to the left. It's okay. Branch him on it. Get there. Short. It's an easy tap into a fall ball. Hole 13, 213 feet. Left hand turn. Just a little bit. Yeah, I did. Hit the tree. I didn't miss that tree at all by much. I hit that thing dead center. I'll take that. That was not nice at all. Oh well. Hole 14, 234 feet. It's right there behind that big pine tree. Quite a ways. Going to throw a four-hander. Turn over. Wrong. Well, let's put the next tee pad over. As you can see in the slow motion, that thing flew like a duck. Duck, duck, goose. Shoot that thing, please. Surprise. Surprise, surprise. I have a clean shot to the basket. Three, under. There's still park for the par. Here we go. Hole 15, the Pine Gap. The basket is right about there to the left of that pine tree. Gotta miss that. Hyzer flip is the easiest way I found to get through here. Left, too far, way left. I'm in trouble. Sit down. We'll roll. All right, that's my shot. These are the T signs. Post 16, duct tape 180. It's on duct tape, it can't be wrong. Too far right into the crud. That's not going to be fun. I'll take that. Give them credit for the design. Par. Good thing just past that turn, that's the edge of the creek. That's right. Well, I turned it over. I was scared. But I'm right behind this tree. Boo. One more hole to go. Go home and clean up for poison ivy. Into the bank. Hopefully not crash. Get up, get up, get up. Okay, die, die, die. Par putt for round 18. Glad to make it. This is Colony Disc Golf Park, Fairhope, Alabama. And I was a little tired, and that spit out did hurt at the end.